What if the most powerful creatures to ever exist were erased in a single day? Not by war, not by disease, not by evolution, but by something that fell from the sky. And here's the part no one talks about. If it had missed Earth, you wouldn't be here. 66 million years ago, Earth belonged to giants. Forests stretched across continents like endless green oceans. The climate was warmer, sea levels were higher, life was everywhere. Herds of triceratops moved like living tanks. Hadrosaurs migrated in vast numbers. Pterosaurs ruled the skies. And on land, the apex predator, Tyrannosaurus rex, 12 meters long. Teeth the size of bananas, a bite force stronger than any land animal in history. It looked unstoppable. And for millions of years, it was. But above this thriving world, something had already begun its descent. Far beyond Earth, a 10-kilometer-wide asteroid drifted through space. It had traveled for millions of years, unseen, unnoticed, until gravity caught it. As it entered Earth's pole, it accelerated, faster than a rifle bullet, over 70,000 kilometers per hour. No civilization watched it. No telescope detected it. The dinosaurs had no idea their final morning had begun. As the asteroid hit the atmosphere, the air in front of it compressed and ignited. From the ground, it would have looked like a second sun, brighter than anything ever seen. Animals froze. Birds stopped mid-flight. Then, impact. The asteroid struck near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula. The explosion released more energy than 100 million nuclear bombs. Rock vaporized instantly. The ocean exploded upward. A crater nearly 180 kilometers wide tore open the Earth. Shockwaves circled the globe. Within minutes, forests thousands of kilometers away ignited. Earthquakes shook the planet. Tsunamis taller than skyscrapers crossed oceans, but the real destruction was still coming. Debris blasted into space, then fell back down. Thousands of burning fragments rained across the planet. The sky became a furnace. Temperatures spiked worldwide. Entire ecosystems burned. This was not a local disaster. It was planetary. And then, everything went dark. Ash and sulfur filled the atmosphere. Sunlight disappeared. Temperatures plummeted. Photosynthesis stopped. Plants died. Herbivores starved. Predators followed. Even the mighty T-Rex wandered through silent forests, searching for food that no longer existed. This wasn't instant extinction. It was slow, cold, merciless. One by one, the giants vanished. But here's where the story changes. Not everything died. Beneath the ground, in burrows and riverbanks, small mammals survived. They were tiny, no larger than rats. They ate seeds. They hid. They waited. And because they were small, adaptable, and warm-blooded, they endured. When the skies finally cleared months, even years later, they emerged into a different world, a world without dinosaurs. The age of reptiles had ended. The age of mammals had begun. From those small survivors came primates. From primates came early humans, and millions of years later, a species capable of asking, what wiped them out? Us. Here's the part that changes everything. If that asteroid had arrived minutes earlier, or minutes later, Earth would have been in a different position in its orbit. It might have missed. Dinosaurs could still dominate the planet. Mammals might never have risen, and humans might never have existed. Our entire history depends on a single cosmic collision. The asteroid didn't just destroy a world, it reset one. Extinction was not the end of life. It was the beginning of us. And somewhere out there in space, rocks are still drifting. This is CurioSphere, where curiosity connects the past to the present.